What beer do I want to try next?
It's beer time with the beer man.
Hey, how's it going, everyone? How you doing tonight, today, wherever you're from in this world? That's right. Well, today I have a really cool one, and I've actually read some really good reviews on it. It's got like up in the 4 and 5 star kind of range, so I'm really looking forward to this one. It's from Belching Beaver Brewery out of Oceanside, California. They were established in 2012. It's the Dia de los Deftones. It's a Mexican-style lager with lime. It's 5% ABV. Did not get the IBUs though, unfortunately. It's a lager with natural flavor added. This comes in a 16-ounce can. It was canned on 9/10/2019, about a month and a half ago. Yeah, look at this sucker. And it's a 5th collaboration with the band Deftones. Right on. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's open it up. Oh, very nice color. Nice hay yellow color. Can hear it sizzling. I'll leave it that way. I like that picture. Well, we got about a 2-finger head, just about, a little over. Let's go ahead for the smell. Oh, you get a slight pinch of lime in there, definitely. You get a little pilsner malt. It's very well balanced smelling. Oh, it does have that citrusy, limey kind of smell, though. That's great. Wow. Oh yeah, this is nice. The malts kind of have a biscuity smell. But I got a little bit in my nose right now, and you really get that lime. Very like a lot of lime in the smell in the nose. Wow, and that malt, like it's very well mixed. You get that pilsner malt. Let's go ahead and look. So the retention is fairly quick. You can hear it sizzling. Want to hear? We got an effervescence. Woo! Lots of effervescence in this beer. It's a fast rising bubble. Hay colored. It's got I'd have to say this is a brilliant clarity for sure. Very nice. Looks crisp, looks refreshing. God, very nice. Very well filtered. Let's dig into this beer and drink it. Wow. Okay, it is pretty watery. It's watered down. It is lighter. I'm used to a heavier beer, so I need to get my mouth right for this. It's not over dominant with lime. There's not a lot of, but it's there. You sense it. You know it. It's very well balanced with that. There's a bit of like a maize or a corn, definitely put into this with the pilsner malt. It's crisp, refreshing mouthfeel with a light body. Refreshing mouthfeel. The flavors are very well balanced with that corn-like flavor, the pilsner malt, the lime. Everything is so well balanced. It's very refreshing. A very good beer for lawn mowing your lawn, for mowing your lawn. But very, very good, refreshing beer. Thirst quenching, very thirst quenching. Kind of poppy on the tongue with carbonation. You saw it in here. Oh, I do get in the finish. You get a bit of lime, a lime finish, and it does dry off. Pretty close to the throat there. It starts to dry off. So about 75 to 100% way down your tongue there, it starts to dry off. Up over on the palate, you do get that like a biscuity pilsner like maltiness. On the tongue, you get the lime, a little biscuit malt as well. Very well balanced. You get that tangy, citrusy lime though, that mixes in just perfect. Yeah, this is really, it's really good. It's not totally flavorful. It's lighter. If you let it sit in your mouth, the palate and the tongue start to get a punch of that lime though. I've said lime a lot of times in this, but you do, if you let it sit there and squish it around in your mouth, you really get that flavor. Really nice how they balanced it out perfectly though. Bam! Just awesome. Out of 5 hops, I'm going to give this 4.25 hops. This is delicious, guys. Right on, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day. Please comment and let me know if you've had this before. Let's talk about it. Comment anyway. If you comment, you'll be entered into the drawing. It's coming up soon, next week. And please make that red button gray. Please subscribe, hit that bell, and please, everyone, hit that like button. I really would appreciate it. Oh my God. Effervescent? Bubbles? Who's got the bubbles? Alright guys, thank you so much. Cheers, I'm out of here. One more drink. Delicious.